What's going on, guys? Code Expert here, and we are back with yet another amazing tutorial series, and this time we are going to talk about real estate photography edits. That's right, guys. I went through a lot of social media posts and I found out that people are actively looking for real estate photography edits and generations, and some of them are finding it really hard to have nice photography edits or photography editors. All right, so I wanted to solve this problem, and that's why I built my own studio called VAKPix, which is able to edit the photography edits like this. So the image over here on the right side, you can see this is the original image, and many people would want to portray it in a dusk scene. So giving a simple prompt like this would convert this into the dusk scene. All right, so you just have to give the text instructions what to do with this photo, and this will convert it to this one. All right, so these are all community generated photos. The next one is this one. If you have a photo of an empty hall and if you want to put some furniture in the room, then you can do that as well. Another one is this one, which is a common problem that I have seen in the real estate photographies, which is to clear the sky and clear the scene a little bit. So this is what it looks like. So this is the right one is original photograph, and the left one is edited one, and the last one is this one. All right, so object removal. So this guy didn't want to have this fence, so he removed it over here. All right, so we are going to cover these 4 cases. So without further ado, let's get started. But before moving forward, I would just like to tell you guys that if you are an influencer or content creator, then we have a weekly giveaway program of VAKPix. So this week's winner is AI_dream designs. Congratulations to the winner. If you want to participate into the program, then just go to vakpix.com, which is the site built by myself and our team. You can just click to the AI creator giveaway program, and you will see all of the conditions. So this is just a giveaway program, no strings attached. You can get the subscription if you are a influencer or creator. All right, so let's move on to our tutorial. All right, so to get started, you can just go to the vakpix.com website and just click on get started for free. It will take you to the login page. I have already logged in, so in here you can see that I have my account. Here is an explore page where you can see what are the arts that are created by community, and if you go to the AI edits, you will see the edits created by the community. All right, so what I'm going to do now is click on this edit button, which will provide me the editor studio, and if you click on upload, I'm going to upload an image over here. So this is a day house, and I would like to change it to the dusk. All right, so I have already my own prompts. This is nothing special, guys. This is just some natural language instructions that I'm giving. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I don't want to type, so that's why I compiled it over here. All right, so this instruction says that convert this daytime exterior into the dusk scene, add warm sunset sky with orange and purple hues, turn on the interior lights in the windows, and add soft ambient glow on the exterior walls, and preserve the architectural details. All right, and that's it. You can just hit enter and it will start editing. And boom, you can see that it has converted the site into the dusk scene, and it looks really awesome, guys. I hope you like it. So the next example is empty room. So I have uploaded the picture of the empty room over here, and I have the prompt here. So let's see what it does. So furnish this empty living room, add modern sofa facing forward, TV unit, leafy indoor plant and wall art. So let's see what it does. Awesome, it looks really nice, guys. It has added all of the wall, then a plant, sofa, some carpet and the TV unit over here. So it looks really nice. The third use case that we are going to cover is poor weather. So I'm just going to go into the editor once again and upload this image over here. So I have the prompt already. So in this prompt, what I'm doing is I want a sunny day, as well as I want some green, lush, healthy, vibrant garden and the trees over here. So let's see what it does. Amazing, guys, amazing. It looks really nice, and I am really impressed with it. I hope you are as well. And the last example that we are going to cover today is unwanted object removal. All right, so in this photo, here is a camera and I want to remove this camera. So let's copy this simple prompt. Don't worry, I'm going to paste these prompts into the description below. So if you want to edit something similar, then you can just copy these prompts and paste it into the editor. All right, so let's see what it does now. Really nice, guys. So it has removed the camera as well, so you can do many different kinds of things. For example, you can change the color of the wall. So change the color of the wall to lavender. So let's see what it does now. And you can see that the color has been changed over here. If you want to check out your previous edits, then you can just go to the dashboard and to the my edits, and you can see that you have your own edits. You can also download the photos as well. You can make the photos to public or private, and this is the public page which you can share with your colleagues or friends. All right, so there are a lot of things that you can do with the photo with this software, and I hope you liked it. If you want to get in touch with the VAKPix team, then you can just go to the Discord over here and ask about your requirements or your problems, and the team is really responsive. They will answer you immediately. I'm going to also link down the Discord link in the description, so make sure to join the Discord channel. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Let's meet in the next tutorial.